The day begins with the first rays of the sun. A beautiful, healthy worship day begins with a prayer and with a cup of refreshing tea. Tea is the most popular beverage after water in the world. The tea that starts the day. The tea that makes the relationship special. The tea of every cup related to every conversation or in a pot of every debate. Tea that makes it marked by quality. City Gold Tea. Pehchan quality की. City Gold Tea is a product of KBT Product Private Limited, an ISO 9001, 2015 and HACCP certified company. A brand that contains a good history. Late Kashiram Chaudhary was a visionary who established his tea business more than 70 years ago in the tea-growing region of Jalpaiguri. His son, Shri Brijmohan Chaudhary, chairman of KBT Group, took over the business and flourished it from Siliguri and expanded the same to retailing outside the state. In the 1995, under the qualified hand of third generation, Mr. Shravan Chaudhary, experienced director of KBT Group. Mr. Shravan Chaudhary also associates with many social and business organizations. The group started its packet with the brand name of City Gold Tea. In the year 2018, fourth generation, Mr. Shubham Chaudhary joined the family business and took over the brand to a new height. Today, City Gold Tea is one of the largest tea packaging company in Eastern India and set up one of the most modern and state-of-the-art fully automated packaging unit until at Tea Park, Siliguri. Due to quality consistency and continuous effort of the group, brand City Gold has gone to a new height.
हमारा परिवार चाय इंडस्ट्री से 70 साल से जुड़ा हुआ है। हमारी ये फोर्थ जनरेशन आज इस ट्रेड में अपने एक्सपर्टाइज को काम में लगाते हुए इस ब्रांड को 1995 में चालू किया और एक बेहतरीन प्रोडक्ट, अच्छी क्वालिटी की चाय हम समाज को और हमारे कंज्यूमर को देने के उद्देश्य से हर समय इसकी क्वालिटी पे रिसर्च करते रहे और इम्प्रूव करते रहे। आज हमारी पहचान क्वालिटी के नाम से ही जानी जाती है मार्केट में और हमने धीरे धीरे इसी माउथ एडवर्टाइजमेंट के चलते पूरे हिंदुस्तान में अपनी एक पहचान बनाई। इस 27 साल में हमने लगातार प्रयास किया है कि क्वालिटी और लोगों की ज़रूरत के हिसाब से प्रोडक्ट को, वेरिएंट्स को हम तैयार किए। आज हमारे 42 प्रोडक्ट हैं ताकि हम लोगों तक पहुंच पाए। आज जब हर रोज़ सुबह करोड़ों लोगों के चाय के प्याले में सिटी गोल्ड का सिप होता है तो इससे बड़ा सेटिस्फैक्शन कोई हो नहीं सकता और यही सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी होती है कि हम एक बेहतरीन चाय लोगों तक पहुंचा पा रहे हैं।
We follow every aspect to producing the best quality tea from the unique automated blending to packaging of City Gold Tea by the extreme observation of our tea experts. We ensure the sorting segment of our experienced tea workers and through the foil-based automated packaging systems, we keeping the hygiene and aroma of our tea brand. In our warehouse, we protect a proper cleaning storage segments which ensure the best quality of brand City Gold Tea. Our quality CTC teas are very carefully tested by well-renowned and highly experienced tea tester Mr. Manoj Chawar. The quality control during the selection process ensures that the City Gold Tea consumers will get the best in terms of quality tea.
सिटी गोल्ड का जब हम ब्लेंड तैयार करते हैं तो 3 चीज़ों का मेन ध्यान रखते हैं। पहले उसकी क्वालिटी, दूसरा उसका स्वाद और तीसरा उसका फ्लेवर। और हमारा ये उद्देश्य रहता है कि हम कंज्यूमर तक एक अच्छी चाय पीने के लिए उपलब्ध कराएं।
City Gold Tea is a brand which maintains its quality more than a decade. City Gold Tea is serving the Indian market with great satisfaction due to quality consistency. A pan-India brand presently marketed in 18 states of India. As well as we are also available online at Amazon, Flipkart and IndiaMart and our e-commerce website. City Gold Tea also has its own presence in modern trades and hotel, restaurant and cafes also.
As market scenario is changing very fast, we are very proactive in adapting to the changes. We are already into digital marketing, which is the need for the future. As people are shifting online and they want their product to get delivered at home, we are getting a huge response from Amazon, Flipkart as well as from our website. As people want one-stop solution, we are entering into modern trades like Reliance, Spencer's and JioMart. We also have a future planning of setting up of tea boutiques in various parts of the country. As people have started to travel more, we have a planning of launching pre-mixes which is very helpful during travels. We are always committed to deliver the best of the product for which we are known. City Gold, Pehchan Quality.
We are the official channel access partner of Indian Oil Corporation Limited and listed as a supplier, Asia's largest retail chain of Indian Railways. Our mission and vision to create a pan-India brand and penetrate in all the markets to develop long-term and harmonious relation with the consumers. We are presenting the widest range of our brand. City Gold Tea, पहचान क्वालिटी की।
पिछले 27 वर्षों से हमारे देश का अग्रणी उत्तम ब्रांड्स में से एक रहा है और हमारा ये मोटिव रहता है हमेशा कि क्वालिटी की चाय समय पर मार्केट में प्लेस हो और इसके लिए हम प्लकिंग से लेकर फैक्ट्री प्रोडक्शन, पैकेजिंग, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन तक हमारा पूरा ध्यान रहता है और क्वालिटी की चाय समय पर उत्पाद मार्केट में जाए, इसमें हमारा विशेष जोर रहता है।
The group has own tea manufacturing unit in the name of Manakamna Tea Industries Private Limited, where high quality tea is produced from the leaves of different plantations. Managing Director Mr. Shravan Chaudhary, his continuous efforts have taken the brand to a new height and established the great demand across the Indian market. Also, the company is very much active in corporate social responsibilities and committed to welfare of the society. Contribution in blood donor van at Tarai Lions Blood Bank, ambulance service in ward number 25 Shiliguri, pathology at Lions Netralaya and Greater Lions Eye Hospital, ultrasonography unit at MARC Hospital, homeopathy center at Goriomat, old age home at Mahavir International, running tribal school by FTS, Lions Citizen School, diagnostic unit at Tarai Blood Bank, NICU at Maharaja Hospital, pathology unit at Lions Club of Malbazar, and contribution in Lions Tarai School project. We believe in women's empowerment and strive to involve maximum number of skilled women tea workers who are grassroots of the society and run the household. We feel proud that we are part of their source of income. The company holds dealers meet with area-wise distribution every year. To achieve the highest presence of brand City Gold Tea is recognized by various print media across India. Also, over time, we expanded our branding strategy to make our brand more accessible, from print media branding to outdoor branding, ground event, digital to electronic media branding.
Namaste, we are Shri Dinesh Agarwal and Akhilesh Agarwal from Agarwal Trading Corporation, Punjab, and are proudly associated with City Gold.
मैं अनिल मित्र का आज 25 वर्षों से भी अधिक समय से हम सिटी गोल्ड चाय परिवार से जुड़े हुए हैं। सिटी गोल्ड के साथ
इन 25 सालों की यात्रा काफी सफल और संतोषदायक रही।
क्वालिटी ही सिटी गोल्ड की पहचान है और आशा करता हूँ
सिटी गोल्ड के सुनहरे भविष्य के लिए मैं हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ।
सिटी गोल्ड चाय का पहचान क्वालिटी में है सबसे महान।
Arpita Chatterjee is one of the most popular actresses of Bengali films, is the current face of our tea advertisement. We are with the vision of forming long-term relationship with business associates and tea lovers. City Gold Tea committing to serve consistency and quality tea to the consumers. City Gold brings a distinct meaning of a fine balance of every chai lovers, and the brand is growing every year with a significant market share of domestic consumption in every state of India. Company is always thankful to our CNF distributors, dealers, marketing executives and the consumers without whom the brand could not reach at its heights as a national brand. City Gold Tea, पहचान क्वालिटी की।